One problem the XR has is these handlebars are just way too low. These are the stock ones. But when you stand up on them, on the bike, when you're riding, like you need to go off-road and stand up, the way the ergos are set up, these are just way too low. It's like you're bending over, almost in half the way they're set up. So we're going to change these out with some ProTaper ATV high bars, or I don't know. I'll put the actual text of exactly what they are. Hopefully help some of you guys out. When I get done with this, I'll take her out on a ride and tell you what I think about them, and if it made a big difference or if I need to go higher. But I think it's about a 2-inch rise, or about 2 inches. We'll see how it does. Something to watch on this piece right here. There's a tab right in there. See that tab? There's no tab here. So you can either cut that off or just drill a hole right in there. I'm gonna drill. Okay, that's everything all buttoned up. Got everything tightened on there. Looks pretty good. So one thing to look for here is I did have to mess with the cables a little bit. Now, these are the throttle cables here. So I did pop them out of here, and I want to show you they do clear. And this is with these handlebars. I just want to show you how much clearance you have. So that's fully turned, and there's still some play in here. It is rubbing a little bit, but you don't have to get extensions. I'm going to show you the clutch side. Okay, fully turned. They still have some play in them, although it is tight. I might end up popping them out of here, but as you can see here, they're tight. This is tight, but it's okay. So if you want extenders, you can get them. Here's the look of the bike with the new handlebars. All right.